Hi students, so today we are going to discuss an interesting topic and which is new to the class 7. That is, when we see in class 6 we have studied about large numbers. We have studied about large numbers like crores, and in international system we have read as millions, brillions. So such type of numbers, such large numbers, sometimes we will be unable to read. Then how to express, how to read such type of numbers? So this type of numbers, very large numbers, how to read? So these are the things we can learn in this chapter. The chapter name is Exponents and Powers. Chapter name is Exponents and Powers. So let us see that. Learning objects. After studying this chapter, you will be able to define and explain meaning of exponents with real life examples. State and apply the laws of exponents. See here, there are the two people like father and son. They both are discussing. The mass of the earth is equals to 5.972 into 10 to the power 24 kg. Surface area of the earth is equals to 5.1 into 10 to the power 5 kilometer square. The distance from the sun is equals to 1.496 into 10 to the power 6 kilometers. I read these values, but see here, the child is asking the father, as he doesn't know that. I read the values for your purpose. Now you see, father, I am unable to read these numbers. Can you explain? Yes. Now the dad's turn. Yes, sure. These are written exponential form. These are written exponential form. Here you can see. We can write the large numbers in a shorter form by using exponents. Observe that 10,000 is equals to 10,000 is equals to 10 into 10 into 10 into 10, like that, 10 to the power 4. So the short notation 10 power 4 stands for the product of 10 into 10 into 10. Here 10 is called the base and 4 is the exponent. The number 10 to the power 4 read as 10 raised to the power of 4, and simply as the fourth power of 10. 10 power 4 is also called the exponential form of 10,000. Similarly, you can observe that 1000 can be written as 10 into 10 into 10, which is 10 cube. So 10 cube is the exponential form of 1000. Similarly, 1 lakh, it is 10 to the power 5. So the 10 is called the base and 5 is called the power or exponent. I hope you understood how to express in the exponential form. See here, 7 power 3. 7 is the base and 3 is the power of our exponent. This indicates that 7 is being multiplied thrice. So to illustrate this more clearly, let us look at the following table. Repeated multiplication of numbers. Repeated multiplication of numbers. Here you see 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 into 2, like that, 4 times it is there. So 2 to the power 4, which is exponential form of the product. Base of the product is, that is 2, power of or exponent of the product, that is 4. Similarly 5 into 5 into 5, so 5 to the power 3. 5 is the base, 3 is the exponent. 6 into 6, so that is 6 power 5. 6 is the base and 5 is the exponent. And similarly you see last one, a into a, like that, m times it is there. So a to the power m, where a is the base and m is the power. From the table we conclude that if a is a rational number and m is a positive integer, then a into like that, m times a to the power m can be written mth power of a. Here a is called the base and m is called the exponent of the power. So in this exponential form, the number which is repeatedly multiplied is called the base. The number of times it is multiplied is called the exponent. Or power or index. The notation of writing the product of rational number by itself several times is called exponential notation. If the base is a negative integer, then the product will be either negative or positive depending upon whether the exponent is an odd number or an even number. Here you see minus 1 whole to the power even number, like minus 1 whole square, minus 1 into minus 1. Even number means it can be 2, 4, 6, 8. Then the result will be positive. Minus 1 to the power of odd number. Minus 1 if you write 3 times, minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1, the result is minus 1. So minus 1 whole to the power 46. 46 is even number, so result is 1. Minus 1 whole to the power 99, the result is odd number is a power, so result is minus 1. So just now we have seen what is power notation, these are the things, right? So here, suppose if we have 100, 100 can be written as 10 into 10. 10 into 10, this is 10 is multiplied twice. 10 is multiplied twice. So 10 raised power, 10 power 2. 10 to the power 2. Here 10, this is called base and this is called exponent. Exponent or power or index. You see here again 1000 if you write 10 into 10. So here 10 to the power 3. 10 is multiplied thrice. 3 times. 10 into 10 into 10. So 10 to the power 3. Here this is the base. This is exponent or power or index. Now see if you write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 like this. How many times you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 multiplied 6 times. 2 into not 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into like that 6 times. So 2 to the power 6. 2 to the power of 6. So 6 to the power of 2. So this is the base. This is the base and this is exponent. Similarly, if you write a into a into a into a into a into a, how many times you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We'll write one more a into a, then 8 times. So a to the power 8. So here a is the base, 8 is the power. Like that, b into b into b into b into b into b. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So b to the power 6. So this is the base, this is the exponent. And even some numbers we can able to express like power notation. Express as 2 to the power. Right, look. Express 64 as power notation. Power notation with base 2. 64 you have to express as power notation. Power notation means exponential form. In the form of exponential form you have to express, that is, the base must be 2. Then base must be means, so as we know that you can go for factorization. Even this can be written as 4 cube, even this can be written as 8 square, 8 into 8, 64, 4 into 4 into 4, 64. But he is asking us base must be 2. So when 2 table, prime factorization we are doing. So 216, 28, 24, 22. See, observe it. 64 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Like that, how many times we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 times, so this can be written as 2 to the power 6. So here 2 is the base and 6 is the exponent. 6 is the exponent. Do you understand this one? How to express power notation? Next, suppose if they ask, sometimes they will be asking, find the value of 3 to the power 4. Find the value of 3 to the power 4. Then 3 to the power 4 is equals to, how many times 3 is repeatedly multiplied? 4 times. So 3 into 3 into 3, which is equals to 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81. So therefore 3 to the power 4 is equals to 81. Like that we will find the value of the given exponential form. Clear? You see now, if power is like base is negative number, if base is a negative, if base is negative, then how? Minus 1 whole to the power 2, minus 1 into minus 1. So minus 1 into minus 1, that is answer is plus 1. Power is even. So answer we are getting as positive. Let us see, minus 1 whole to the power 4, minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. So here also minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into plus minus plus. So answer is plus 1. Power is even number. So if base is negative, power is even, we get the result as positive. So if base is negative and power is even number, we get the result. We get result as positive. We get result as positive. Right? Next. Now we see another one. Minus 1 if whole to the power 1. Meaning is what? The power is odd number. So minus 1 only. Minus 1 whole to the power 3. Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1, which is equals to minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. Next, minus 1 whole to the power 5, minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1, minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus 1. So if base is negative, if base is negative and power is odd number, we get the result. We get the result as negative. We get the result as negative. You can observe it. Here one more. We'll try. So minus 4 whole square. Meaning is what? Means minus 4 squared. How to read this one? Minus 4 to the power 2 or squared. So minus 4 into minus 4. Minus into minus plus 4 4s are 16. Right? You got the positive result. Now for same number if you take minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4. Check it. Minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. See here the power is as minus 4 whole to the power 3 is equals to minus 64. So power is even, result is positive. Power is odd number, result is negative if the base is a negative number. Is it clear? how to read the numbers a into a into a, that is a into a square, read as a squared or a raised to the power of 2. A into a, that is 3 times it is multiplied, so a cube, read as a cube or a raised to the power of 3, power 3. A into a into a into a 4 times, read as a raised to the power 4 or fourth power of a. Like this we will read the exponential numbers. Let us see exercise 13.1. Find the value of question number 1, 9 power 3 and 5 power 4. Express the following exponential form. And third one, each of the following numbers using the exponential notation to express. Look, first one. So 9 to the power 3 is equals to 9 into 9 into 9. How many times? Thrice 9 is multiplied. 9 into 9 into 9. So 9 nines are 81. 81 into 9. 729. 729. So therefore 9 to the power 3 is equals to 729. 9 into 9 into 9. Next, 5 to the power 4. 5 to the power 4 is equals to 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 25 into 5. 125. 125 into 5. 625. Therefore, 5 to the power 4 is equals to 625. Next. Is it clear? We just multiply and write the answer. Express the following exponential form. 6 is how many times it is multiplied? 6 is multiplied 1, 2, 3. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 6 to the power 4. 6 raised to the power 4 or 4 to the power of 6. So 6 is repeated. Which number is multiplied repeatedly, that we write here? How many times it is repeating, that we will write as power notation. 6 to the power 4. Similarly, now you see in the next one here, a into a into a, a into a into a into c into c into c into c. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 into d is also given, I think so, right? So a is how many times you see? A to the power 3. 3 times it is. C how many times it is? C to the power 4 into, if it is d, then d. So this is the answer. Right? Next. Express each of the following numbers using exponential form. So 343 and 729 we are going to express in the exponential form. So 343, in which table it comes, we have to check it. 343. So as 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, even it is not divisible by 3 also, and no 5, no 2. Then we go to the 7 table. 7 4s are 28, and 6 3, 7 9s are 63. So then 7 ones. So 343 we obtained by multiplied. 7 is multiplied thrice, then we obtain 343. So 343 could be written as 7 into 7 into 7, which is 7 to the power 3, or we read as 7 cube. 7 cube, C-U-B-E-D cube. So therefore 343 is equals to 7 to the power 3. 7 to the power 3. Next. 729 we need to express as exponential notation. Now you see 729. 3 table. 2 is it? It's not divisible. 3 table. 3. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. So 18 is divisible by 3. So we go to the divisibility of 3. So 3 2s are 6. 3 4s are 12. 3 3s are 3 8s are 24. 3 1s. 327. 3 2s are 6. 3 7s are 3 9. 3 3 and 3 1. Now 729 is equals to 3 into 3 into 3 into, like that, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So into 3 into 1 2 3 4 5 6. which is equals to 3 to the power 6. Therefore, 729 can be written as 3 to the power 6. 3 is the base and 6 is the power. I hope you understood. Let us see the next question. Identify the greater number wherever possible. If so, 4 power 3, 3 power 4. Meaning is what? Here 4 power 3 means 4 into 4 into 4. So 4 power 3 is equals to 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. Then 3 to the power 4. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Observe it. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81. Which is greater? 64 and 81 in this. 81 is greater. So 3 power 4 is greater than 4 to the power 3. This is the answer. And you see 2 power 8. 2 power 8 is nothing but 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 into 8. So which will get as 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 into 2, 64, 64 into 2, 128, 128 into 2, 256. Then 8 square, 8 into 8, which is 64. So now we can observe that which is greater, 256 is greater. So 256. So now which is greater, 2 to the power 8 is greater than 8 to the power 2. So in these cases, if by observing like this, now you can guess which number would be greater. As here power is greater and the base is small, power is greater and base is small, so those numbers we are getting as a greater number. So we can write 2 to the power 100 is greater than 100 to the power 2 when the base and powers are just reversed. I hope you understood. Next, fifth question is prime factorization. Prime factorization is nothing but you have to express in a prime factorization as we did in question number 3. Similarly, question number 5 we have to express that as a power notation exponential form. So 648 we are going to express as power notation 648. So 2 table, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 2 4s are. Then again 2 1, 2 6, 2 2, 2 8, 2 1. Then 3 2s are 3 7s are, 3 9, 3 3 and 3 1. Observe it. 2 into 2 into 2 into like this we got. So 648 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into continuation I am writing down only into 3 into 3. 3 4 times, 2 3 times. So 2 3 times it is there. So 2 to the power 3 into 3 you see total 4 times. So 3 to the power 4. Therefore, the exponential form of 648 is equals to 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 4. How many times, how many digits are repeating? How many are repeating? That many we write in the power. Next, 405. So 405 we will write prime factorization. It is divisible by either 3 or 5 both. So 5 table, 5 8s are 40, 5 1s are 5. Next 3 table, 327, 3 9, 3 3, 3 1. So 445 can be written as 5 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 4 times and 5 1 time. See here 4 times it is there and it is 1 time. So 5 to the power 1 into 3 to the power 4. Therefore 405 is equals to 5 power 1 into 3 to the power 4. Is it clear? Let us see the next question. Question number 6. Simplify. We need to find the value of it. We need to find the value of it. So 2 into 10 to the power 3. So 2 into 10 to the power 3 means 10. How many times we have to multiply? Thrice, 3 times. So 10 into 10 into 10. 10 into 10 into 10. So 10 times are 100, 100 into 10. 1000 into 2, which is 2000. 2000. Therefore, 2 into 10 to the power 3 is equals to 2000. Next, see this one. 2 to the power 4 into 3 square. 2 to the power 4 into 3 square means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 4 times into 3 square. 3 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48. 48 into 3, you multiply, 3 8s are 24 and 3 4s are 12 plus 2, that is 144. So which we got is equals to 144. Therefore, 2 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 2 is equals to 140. Like this, we will find the value. Is it clear? Look at the question number 7. Simplify. Like minus 3 into minus 2 whole to the power 3. So minus 3 into minus 2 whole to the power 3. Minus 3 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 3. Minus into minus plus. Plus into minus minus. Minus into minus plus. So the result is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. Therefore, minus 3 into minus 2 whole to the power 3 is equals to 24. Minus into minus plus. Plus into minus minus. Minus into minus plus 24. Now question number 8 we see. Compare the following. Here the decimal digits and you see the powers. 10 power 2, 10 power 3, 10 power 4, 10 power 5 when we observe. 10 square is 100, 10 to the power 3 is 1000, 10 to the power 4 is 10,000. As the power is increasing, the value is also increasing. Am I right? So 10 power. Now you tell me in these two, 10 to the power 12 and 10 to the power 8. 10 to the power 12 and 10 to the power 8. Which will be the more? Which power is greater? Yes. Both the numbers 2.7 and 1.5. 2.7, 1.5. After the decimal point, here also one digit, here also one digit. But this is 10 to the power 12, this is 10 to the power 8. So which number could be greater? As by comparing this one, 10 to the power 5 means we will be getting 1 lakh. Right? So the number will be keep on increasing. That means this is greater. Therefore, 2.7 into 10 to the power 12 is greater than 1.5 into 10 to the power 8. These digits anyhow, this is 2.7 and 1.5. But power you see, the besides numbers if you write, then this is the bigger. Now 4 into 10 to the power 14, 3 into 10 to the power 17. Similarly, this is 4 and this is 3. Okay, let it be. But 10 to the power 14, 10 to the power 17. Suppose, see here, 3 into, suppose if we write now, 3 into 10 square, what is the answer? 3 into 100, which is equals to 300. But if you write 4 into 10 cube, that is 4 into 1000, which will be 4000. So by comparing these two, you can observe that which is greater. So 3 into 10 to the power 7, 4 into 10 to the power 14 is smaller than 3 into 10 to the power 17. That means 3 into 10 to the power 17 is greater 4 into 10 to the power 14. I hope you understood how to find out which is greater and which is smaller. So with this, we have come to an end of exercise 13.1. So exponential notation, how to express it and how to find the value, how to simplify, what is the base, what is the power, how to read the numbers. This all we discussed in this today's class. Let us meet again in the next session. Thank you. Leftover questions you have to complete as homework.